Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to trim and split video clips in Clipchamp, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and click on Create a new video. Once you're inside the editor, make sure your video clip is imported. If it's not already in your timeline, then click on Import Media. Locate the file, in our case the file name is Mounting ISO. And click Open. Drag the clip from the Your Media section onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Now let's talk about trimming. Trimming means cutting a portion from the beginning or end of your video. First, mark the point up to where you will trim the video with the help of playhead. Place the head on the point. Now, simply move your mouse to the edge of the clip on the timeline. You'll see a white bracket appear. Note the video length before trimming. It is 1 minute and 22 seconds long video clip. Click and drag it inward from the left side to trim the beginning of the video. Or drag it inward from the right side to trim the end. You'll notice the video shortens in real time and the preview updates instantly. This is perfect for removing extra silence or unwanted footage. If you make a mistake or trim too much, don't worry, just drag the edge back out to restore the trimmed part. Drag the whole clip to the beginning of the track, and now you see the video length at 1 minute and 17 seconds, which means 5 seconds at the start are trimmed. Similar process can be repeated if you want to trim the end of the video. Mark the point and place the cursor at the end. When its shape changes to white brace, move it slow to the point to trim the video part. While trimming the end, you can see live that video is becoming short. Now let's move on to splitting. Splitting is used when you want to cut the video in the middle, for example to remove a section, insert a transition, or rearrange parts of your clip. To split, start by selecting the clip on the timeline. Then move the playhead, that's the vertical white line, to the exact point where you want to split the clip. You can play the video and pause at the moment you want to split, or drag the playhead manually. Once the playhead is in position, click the split button from the toolbar just above the timeline. It looks like a pair of scissors, or the keyboard shortcut is pressing S key. Now your clip is divided into 2 parts. You can click on either half to delete it, move it, or edit it separately. If you want to split a clip into multiple pieces, repeat the process, move the playhead to a new point and click Split again. This is especially useful when you want to cut out a section in the middle of the video. After splitting, just click on the unwanted section and press Delete on your keyboard or use the trash icon. You can then close the gap by dragging the remaining clips together. Want to be even more precise? Zoom in on the timeline using the plus symbol button in the lower right corner. Or the keyboard shortcut is Control key and plus key together. For zooming out, use Control plus minus key. This gives you more control over exactly where you trim or split. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for easier Clipchamp tutorials. See you in the next one.